Hi guys, I'm going to show you some satisfying voice of these test tubes. So are you ready? These are 3 test tubes and this is the stand I made out of this box and colored it. So 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1. So this is the satisfying voice.